In this video, I'll show you how to set up a Zoho CRM workflow that triggers an outbound call when specific criteria are met. For example, when a new lead comes into your Zoho CRM, you may want your AI assistant to call that lead immediately, or schedule an outbound call a few minutes later. To set this up, go to your Zoho CRM setup page. Under Automation, click Workflow Rules. Next, click Create Rule. Select the module you want to associate with this automation, such as leads, then give your workflow rule a name. Now choose the when condition. This tells Zoho when the automation should be triggered. For example, if you want the automation to run whenever a new lead record is created, select Record Action, then choose Create. Click Next. Under the Condition section, you can define which specific leads should trigger the outbound call. For example, you may only want to call leads under a specific layout or lead source. You can add as many conditions as needed. In this example, we'll add a condition where the lead is under the accounting layout. Then we'll add another condition where the lead source is website and the lead owner is the accounts team. Once all necessary conditions are set, click Next. Now we'll configure the action we want the AI assistant to perform. Since we want the assistant to trigger an outbound call when all conditions are met, select Function. Then click Write Your Own. Give your function a display name and a function name. Make sure to take note of the function name because you'll need it later. Next, go back to your Call Agent AI dashboard and open your assistant's settings. Click Zoho Webhook. If you don't see any value under the API key section, click Generate Webhook API key. Take note of your Webhook URL and API key because we'll use them in the Zoho function. I'll provide a Deluge script that you can copy and paste into your Zoho function setup. Once pasted, simply replace the function name, Webhook URL, and API key with your own values. After the function has been configured, click Save and Associate. Zoho will open a pop-up window asking you to map the function arguments. This step is important because it ensures the function can pull the correct record information from your CRM. In this example, we'll map the lead ID argument. Under the Argument Mapping section, locate the field for lead ID and select the CRM field that stores the lead record ID. This allows the function to identify exactly which lead triggered the workflow and retrieve the correct lead details when the outbound call is initiated. Once the lead ID has been mapped correctly, click Save to complete the function setup. To test it, create a test lead in your Zoho CRM that meets all the criteria you set. Once the lead is created, the workflow should trigger the function, and your AI assistant should start the outbound call automatically. And that's how you set up a Zoho workflow to trigger an outbound AI call based on specific lead criteria.